Good morning, everyone. My name is Laurence Difelice. Welcome to my daily update on financial markets and investments. Today, I'm going to cover with you the global economy, and then I'm going to talk with you about investment opportunities. Global economy, number one, continued tension between US and China. We saw Biden meeting the Japanese Prime Minister last week. These two countries seem to be coming together to kind of join forces between the discussions that are ongoing between US and China. It's quite interesting because Japan wanted to remain neutral, especially with the Olympics around the corner. So very interesting to see how this will play off. Secondly, Brazil and India. These two countries are developing countries that are suffering a lot with the global pandemic. A lot of variants, a lot of suffering, a lot of people dying. This is not good, and it's impacting severely these countries and also the global economy. Third, finally but not least, there are continued escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine. This is not very much reported by the media, but this is happening, and again, it's not good. On top of this, it's never too late to remind you that the US imposed sanctions against Russia, and this only adds pressure and I guess a bit of disruption to the current state of this country. On to investment opportunities. Have a look at the chart that will appear on your screen. You can see the European benchmark stock 600 and the S&P 500. Since February 2020, both these indexes have recovered quite strongly. But if you look at the Nasdaq 100 index, you will see that its recovery has been a lot steeper. It called my attention to some deeper analysis to understand what are these companies that are pandemic proof and what are these companies that have survived and continue to perform regardless of pandemic. So going just a step back from a European and US perspective, it's important to not forget that there has been a lot of government support, financial support, and also a lot of consumers have amassed a significant number of savings that if they would decide to spend, will definitely be helping the economy to bounce back. Why the Nasdaq 100 has had a steeper, I guess, recovery than the two indexes that are on this chart is something that I would like you to understand while conducting your own research, perhaps on the 100 constituents of the Nasdaq 100. Maybe asking you to do research on 100 companies is a bit too much, but if there's an industry or a name that calls your attention with these 100 companies, I really invite you to check a bit more about this company, learn a bit more, and perhaps identify a long-term investment opportunity. Finally, I also think it would be very interesting for all of you to research a little bit more about the semiconductor industry, because I think this is an industry that is at the heart of a lot of international disputes now. And I think in the short term, but also longer term, this industry will be offering investment opportunities. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please like and comment, check the YouTube channel, get engaged. If you have any doubt or require advisory, please get in touch. Have a great day. Thank you.